Okay, today I am going to be turning this unorganized black raspberry mess into an organized, easy way to collect our fruit. So, if you guys want to turn this into this, then you've come to the right place. So, let's get to it. All right, for starters, what I want to do, just the grand design and what I've seen other people do, is just simply put a post on one side and then a post on the other side of where they want to run their lines or cables, because the idea is to put a post here, a T-post, like 4 by 4 by whatever, and then cut it off and then put a cross beam across here and then run cables back and forth. And so as the blackberries expand, you clip the branches onto those lines and then drape them down whichever way you want. So what we're going to do is I'm going to have 2 lines, and it's just hopefully going to be a super easy project that'll organize this mess. So let's get started. All I did was just sink my auger, which makes life easier. Just sunk it as far as I could. I selected my post based on my surroundings. I got this tree line right here, so I just went ahead and made it, online with them. And I'll do the same over here because we do want to expand this area. So my goal with my backyard is to limit my mowing by as much as possible. So that's exactly what I'm trying to do here, maximize the space and just be as efficient with my time as I can. So here I sunk my hole, I cleared the dirt from around it. Now I went as deep as I can go. I know it's overkill. If you've been following me for a while, you know this is how I do. Now I'm just going to tamp it down, and then once I get it square, plumb, I'm gonna just put a little concrete in it. I know it's overkill, I don't care. Okay, I have that second hole done. It went really smooth, and that reminded me to tell you guys the best time to do things like this, to sink posts, is around March and April when we get a lot of rain. Just wait for a good day like this, and then the ground is already moist and really easy to dig, till, whatever you're using. As I use the post hole digger, I go down, and then rather than just pulling it out and then cleaning up all the dirt by hand, what I'll do is, most of the time I'll have my tractor here, but right now I'm just filling my kid's hole that they dug with all this excess dirt. So, but what I do is I leave all the mud and dirt on my auger bit, and then I just put that over top of my trailer on my tractor, and I can easily just unload all the dirt from my auger bit into the bed of my tractor. And then for the dirt that is left over, I'll just take a little bowl and I'll put it on the inside like this, and with my other hand scoop it in and just go around like that. It makes it really easy, fast. I've dug a lot of holes, post holes like this, and this is what works best for me. So now, like I did with that one over there, all I'm gonna do is tamper down the hole again, put my post in there. That's how I'm gonna tamp it down, and then put some concrete down there, add my post, and then with my spud bar compact it as I go. Then about halfway through, I pour a little bit of water, let that soak in, put more concrete, pour more water, let it soak, and then tomorrow, after it sets for a day, then I'll finish the project. So let's set this last post and then see what we got. And we're done for today. So super simple. I actually did this in the middle of me working on another project. Right now I am installing the suspended bridge on my treehouse. So once I get those videos done and edited, I'll upload those. But for now, you guys are watching me for this. So I got those 2 posts in. I got the concrete set. I just dry poured and then poured water over top of it. It'll sit through the night. and I made sure they're plumb, and now we're just gonna wait. So let's see how this looks tomorrow. Okay, and here we have it. So after the cement set for a good day, I came back and I put those posts on, the T's on right here, and all I did is buy these brackets, and that was able to hold it in place for now. And then we put the lines in, and I ended up buying some stainless steel eye bolts right here. I did 3 rows on the top. Each row is separate, so this right here is a row, and down here is a separate row. And very, very pleased with it. It's exactly what we wanted. So then my wife, she came and ran the vines accordingly, and she did a great job. She even transplanted some of the berry bushes here, so we have a pathway to walk behind it, which is what we wanted to do. So now what I'm gonna do is we want to get like a stone path and put just some stones here, because on that side over here we have some strawberries. This is a big strawberry patch, and our strawberries just expand and grow, and we just let them do whatever they want. So we're going to put the stones there, so then we can harvest throughout the whole patch as we walk, and that'll allow them to grow freely, and then we can step in there and harvest without, you know, crushing any of them. And then also the way this these vines are going is it's gonna give more room to the strawberries to grow down here too. So this whole area should become the strawberries and berry patch. Very exciting. Last thing, well, one of the last things I need to do is I'm gonna put some supports here. Just very simple. I'm gonna buy some one by ones and just put them here or something to keep this from going up and down, because my kids just want to climb all over it, and I know it's just a matter of time before they do. And this is only being held by 1 bolt, so you can rotate this as it sits right now. So me adding the 45-degree angle supports with the 1x1s, that'll stop that. And then after that's all done, then I'm going to paint it white, so then it'll blend in with that white fence there on the back. So it's looking really good right now. We're very pleased with the results, and let's finish this project out. All right, and here we have the final product. I'm very pleased with how it turned out. I mean, for not having really any plan or anything, it absolutely exceeded my expectations. It's really cool too, as this grows, it'll create, you know, a vacant area inside the vines, inside the tunnel area in there, so more strawberries will be able to grow there. So that's super cool. I decided to leave the caps right here because I don't care. It's fine. I didn't want to cut it down, because in the future maybe I want to do something up top, or somehow maybe put a net over it if birds or pests become a problem, and I didn't want to limit myself. So what we're gonna do, I guess one thing we still need to do is with our strawberry patch here, you can see how it's expanding, but through here, through there, and then here we're gonna put just a couple stone pads to walk through this area, because we want the strawberries to completely take this area over. And if we put the stones down, like just paver, you know, just like a paver stepping stones, then we don't have to worry about stepping on our strawberry harvest or anything. So it turned out really nice. I'm really pleased with it, and I definitely recommend it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll keep you updated if I decide to do anything different with this project. So be safe out there, and I hope this project helped you guys in your endeavor to become a modern pioneer. Be safe.